Yeah, g'day everyone. My name's Dave Weston from DRW Consulting, and today I want to bring you to one of our newly finished and constructed civil engineering projects. This project is a 3-lot subdivision at Roachdale South. Today I want to share with you the importance of the civil engineer in the whole aspect of the overall project. You as the developer have a big responsibility and a lot on the line to make sure these projects are able to sell. So us as the engineer, we have to make sure we deliver something that's not only cost effective, but also attractive. So let's go through things today. The role of the civil engineer is not just to practically provide you with an engineering design that works on site, but it's to provide something attractive that is cost efficient. So today I just wanted to go through some of the aspects that are so important when we're looking at a project for you. And we'll start with the fall of the land. This particular block falls from the back of the site all the way through to the front. So the good news is we got stormwater that comes all the way through. A rear draining site can be very difficult to provide a solution for a legal point of discharge, mainly because, especially in Brisbane City Council and Logan City Council, you need to gain access permission from that rear neighbour to drain through their site. This can be a deal killer. If we look at this site, we've got to provide blocks that you're able to market on realestate.com or any of the other platforms. So we obviously need to provide earthworks, retaining walls, an attractive driveway that people want to come on site and say, I'd like to live here. So I'm always thinking about that when I'm designing my projects, to make sure that we provide something that is marketable to our clients for their future end user. So we can see here, we've got some water conduits that's been provided for this last lot. We've got a sewerage manhole that finishes at this site and runs all the way down through the driveway. We've also got some stormwater drainage that we provide for each of the lots as well. So as we work our way down the site, we've got to make sure we design these things as efficiently as possible. If you can see the long nature of this block, it's quite a deep site, goes a long way to the rear, so we actually had to provide a private water service fire hydrant for firefighting purposes. That's part of the Queensland fire regulations, and that's something to consider when you're purchasing a site to develop. As we move to the front of the site, this is where it always becomes fairly busy, because in the footpath there is a lot of different services. You've got your Energex, you've got Telstra, you've got gas, you've got various water mains and things like that running through the site. So we can see down here we've got a separate water meter for each of the lots. We've got a large stormwater pit that has to carry all the overland flow that runs through the site and deliver it to the existing gully pit that's within the road. Also, while you're constructing these, we have to consider the road that we're entering. Now, this particular road's a reasonably busy road, so there's traffic management to consider while you're carrying out construction. We've also got some electrical reticulation, usual green pillar buoy, which supplies electricity to the site. So you can see we've got a lot going on in this one site. It's very attractive. Within this infill area, you can see it's surrounded by a lot of houses. There's a lot of existing houses up here. You know, we had to make sure we keep the neighbours on side as well. So yeah, this project has been a fantastic project to work on. Had a great client, great project manager, and a great contractor working on this project with us. And we look forward to delivering a project for you soon.